Today on Uncaged, we travel to some amazing places to look at the cute and cuddly side of nature. Baby animals. Whether it's orangutans or polar bears, these little guys are sure to warm your heart. Today we're going to witness how we can protect the babies so they can grow up in the wild, free and uncaged. First stop, the Central American country of Costa Rica. Her rich jungles support one of the most diverse animal populations on the planet. Boys and girls, meet the adorable spider monkey. Get a load of these characters. Spider monkeys predominantly feed on fruit, but will also eat insects, leaves, and flowers. They are sociable animals, but they prefer to dwell in remote rainforests. According to latest research, the spider monkeys are the most intelligent New World monkeys. And of course, a stop in beautiful Costa Rica would only be complete with a visit to the spider monkey's jungle buddy, the howler monkey. Hang on, baby howler! Howler monkeys are among the largest of the New World monkeys and one of the few nest-building monkeys. 15 species are currently recognized. Now we roll south to hot, humid, and historical Panama for a visit with some baby bats. Maybe not so cuddly, but they sure are cute. Bats don't see so well, so they use a special skill called echolocation. They make noises and wait for the sound to bounce back off objects, an echo. And in the next tree, a baby sloth learns the ropes while hanging around with mom. In the wild, sloths live an average of 10 to 16 years, and in captivity they can live over 30 years. Now we leave our tropical paradise for a place a little colder. Actually, a lot colder. Antarctica and some baby penguins sure to warm your heart. Let's go. Most of Antarctica is covered in ice, over 1 mile thick. The coldest recorded temperature on Earth occurred in Antarctica, 1983, measuring a rather chilly negative 128 degrees Fahrenheit. Brrr! Of course, it's a very big place, and it's not like that all the year round. Emperor penguins are the tallest species, standing nearly 4 feet tall. The smallest is the little blue penguin, which is only about 16 inches tall. The fastest species is the Gen 2 penguin, which can reach swimming speeds up to 22 miles per hour. I think we can all agree, fast or slow, tall or small, penguin babies are as cute as it gets. All 17 species of penguins are naturally found exclusively in the southern hemisphere. Penguins' striking coloring is a matter of camouflage. From above, their black backs blend into the murky depths of the ocean. From below, their white bellies are hidden against the bright surface. Okay, let's warm things up a bit and take the Baby Animal Express to a place a little warmer. The amazing Galapagos Islands, a place of wonder, beauty, and some very cute baby animals. Let's start with the baby birds. The Galapagos Archipelago, or group of islands, is surrounded by thousands of miles of open ocean, which provides seabirds with a great place to stop on their journeys. there may be as many as 75,000 seabirds living in Galapagos. And now, the cutest of the cute, baby sea lions. How sweet! Sea lions are marine animals, and all sea lions are on endangered species lists. A male sea lion is called a bull, the female is called a cow, and a baby sea lion is called a pup. Bull sea lions can weigh up to 800 pounds and be 9 feet long, while cow sea lions can weigh up to 400 pounds and be 6 feet long. Baby sea lion pups are around 15 pounds when they are born. Look at this little guy trying to climb on Mom. Hey Mom, wake up! Mom, wake up! I'm hungry! Wow, that was great. Now let's make our way to Africa and take a few seconds to check out some baby antelope who love to be on camera. They're just chilling and staying close to Mom. The Misty Mountains of Rwanda are home to some very special babies. The gorillas of Africa are magnificent animals and will need some special attention from all of us animal lovers. Gorillas communicate using gestures, body postures, sounds, and even by slapping their chests. Some gorillas living in captivity have even been taught to sign language. Adult male gorillas over the age of 12 are called silverbacks. This is because the hair on their back starts to turn from black to gray. Keep your eyes wide open. There's a lot more baby animals coming your way.